This is our Haunted Village tabletop collection. Check out our other videos to see the decor from this collection, but this is for all the coordinating pieces that you can use on your table. And actually what's really special about this collection is you can decorate your house with these cute paperboard houses, create a whole haunted village, and then you have the exact matching tabletop items. So when you look at the tray, you see it has the spooky house and you have the spooky house. So how cute would this all be in a shelf displayed together for Halloween? You could also, again, set your table with this. This is a bamboo tray. It is food safe, it is dishwasher safe, and looks so cute displayed. So you can use it in a practical way, or you can just use it because it's super cute. We also have coordinating tableware items. So we've got our paper table runner that actually creates the whole haunted village for you. So cute running down the table. And then we have coordinating plates and napkins. So we've got this set of foiled, these all have copper foil, which is so fun this Halloween, in the Academy, the Spooky House, the Witches Brew, and these are a nice large usable napkin, as you can see next to me. And then we have the matching plates. So we've got the Spooky House, we have the Academy, and we have the Witches Brew. And you can see, just like the plate, the house is adorable and coordinates as well. So be sure and pick up all these items. You will have the cutest haunted house around.